I've got a parcel here from Tapeology. I'm going to open this up with you today. If you don't know, I am an affiliate with Tapeology, so they did send me this parcel, and you can get 15% off your order at Tapeology with the code johanna15. So I believe that this box has some Christmas goodies inside, which I'm really excited to take a look at. Already this box looks so exciting, so let's take a look at all of the things inside. So I'm just going to open from what's on the top and then make my way down the box. So this is the first item on the top of the box. It's got this really pretty snowflake closure around this envelope. We can just untwist this little closure. Very, very pretty. And then inside are a bunch of Christmas die cuts. So it looks like we've got a big variety here. We've got some ornaments, we've got some stockings, there's some Christmas trees, mittens, lots of pretty trees and greenery, little houses or buildings, really cute little bow. There's heaps and heaps of different shapes here, so I'm not gonna show you every single one, but I'll show you some that are standing out to me. Like this little mitten has really intricate pattern in it, which is beautiful. There's a little window here, which is really cool. You could do some creative stuff with that. A bunch of really pretty shapes and designs that you get inside this pack. Then here we've got what looks like some really beautiful trims. A bunch of really pretty sparkly trims. They're kind of, some of them are a bit meshy. This one is really cool for Christmas. It's got some little sparkly dots on it. And then this one here has stars. I can definitely use these in the Christmas ornaments that I'm finishing up right now. This one looks like it has feathers on it. Then there's another one here with moons and stars. There we have like a green mesh. A couple here with butterflies on them. And then the last one looks like this. It looks kind of floral with the pinks and the whites. Really, really pretty. This one's quite thick as well. So this is the next thing on the top of the box. So this is a really beautiful handcrafted pocket. And again, another beautiful little snowflake die cut that keeps it closed with this like eyelash trim, I think it's called, which is all twisted around the closure. So then inside, looks like we've got some beautiful paper. So some beautiful embossed paper and card in white and ivory colors, so lots of different textures. This one's like a knit texture. There's a floral texture, some butterflies. This one's really cute with the deers. There's some ornaments and it says Merry Christmas along the bottom. And then there's a couple more vellum sheets. So this one's like a script. This one has some snowflakes. This one has stars, and then there's some more card pieces here. So those are really beautiful and useful, and I love the reusable packaging as well. The next thing here, let's go with this little one. So this is like a little folder, I think, with all of these wax seals inside. I love this packaging idea. So I'm gonna open up the plastic so you can take a better look. So again, this handmade packaging, I love that they take the time to do this beautiful packaging, this handmade packaging, and everything's wrapped in such a special, thoughtful and careful way. So inside here are these wax seals, and these are gold, and I love these. This one has a swan, there's a bow, Christmas tree, little candle there, a little Santa, a little tree scene, and some other really cute images. I think this one is like a lamp, and then there's a butterfly, snowman, a gingerbread, and a rose, which is beautiful. These are all so stunning. So I just love the way that this is packaged as well. It really helps with just accessing them. So if you want to use a wax seal, just open this up and they're displayed in such an easy, accessible way. Those are stunning. I'm seeing this really cute little container here that looks very, very interesting. Look at that. The first thing that's capturing my eye is this little container. I think these are called Cameos. But that is a beautiful frame in gold, and then the same in white. Then we have two ladies, the big one in the green and the little one in the red, which are both so pretty. And again, I love that they come in this little container to keep them safe. The next thing here is this little box, this like cling wrapped box. So this keeps everything airtight and safe. So some little buttons and charms, which are gorgeous. And again, these are really things that I can use on my Christmas ornaments, my Christmas collection. So there's some really beautiful pieces here. Really sparkly, really pretty little bits and pieces. A couple of keys, a couple of buttons and charms inside. Then inside here we've got some book plates. So we've got a gold book plate and then a couple of brass book plates. Love those. Those are great for adding to your journal covers if you want to put a title on your journal. And what is this little size? So inside here we have these really pretty little angels. Again, I think these would be cool to stick onto a journal cover. I know they're quite 3D, so it'd be a pretty special journal cover. So very sweet little angels or cherubs inside there. And we have another little paper bag here. So inside here we have some enamel dots, and they're in this pearl white colour. Those are beautiful as well, great for decorating your Christmas pages and your Christmas projects. And then in this little paper bag we have buttons, and they're wooden, so little wooden buttons in different tones, different sizes. Then here's a little jar, and it looks like we've got some different brass brads and some like little pins. So those are really nice, and again I like the way that that's packaged as well. And then the last thing in here looks like some dried flowers. Most of them actually look like they are real dried flowers. The next thing here, again, really nice tactile packaging, really creative packaging. So in here it looks like we've got some beautiful trims, and I'm getting a sample at what these feel like with the closure on the bag. So this is like a ribbon or a trim in this beautiful pink color, and it's so soft. Let's open this bag up. There is a roll of different colors of this same trim, which again, this is so usable for what I'm working on right now. I am currently finishing up my Christmas ornaments, so my little mini journals, and I'm at the stage where I'm actually sewing on ruffles and trims onto the side of the pages. And so these are perfect for this project because there's a nice range of colors that I can add that help to bring out the colors in the journal covers, and they're so soft. They would make some really beautiful ruffles without being too bulky in the journal. So you can definitely use them in crafting in so many different ways. But I feel like you could also use these in gift wrapping for Christmas if you want to get a little bit fancy with your wrapping. So there's 12 different colors here to play with, and I love the soft tones and the earthy tones in here as well. Super beautiful. Then here we've got another bag of different special trims. So I'm saying special because they're not your average type of texture. They're quite special, interesting textures, I can see already. So some of these are like netting. This is like a white silver color. Then you have the same in a gold color. Then we have these two brownie and beige colored mesh trims. Then we have these two kind of netted trims. So we've got the navy blue and this deep purple color. And then there are two lace trims. So we've got a black and a white. And then the last two are these kind of metallic trims. So this is like a bronze color, and then this one is a silver. Then I'm going to open this one next. This one's looking very beautiful and interesting. So again, beautiful packaging. It's in a paper bag with a cute little stamp at the top, and then this pretty little bow and tag. So again, lots of thoughtful handmade packaging, which is just such a beautiful touch that Tapeology has. You feel like you're getting such a gift and a present when you're opening up your order. So in here is a bunch of fibers. I don't know what the proper word is for this. I don't know if it's like a type of wool, like a special type of wool, but these are really, really soft, and there are so many different colors and types here. The first idea that comes to mind with what you could make out of these is pom-poms. I've been planning our Christmas decorations this year, and I'm kind of doing a really colorful maximal theme, or that's what I'm going to try to do anyway. And I've been looking at making my own pom-poms. I wonder if how these would work. They got some really interesting textures and colors in them, and these are also super soft. If you have any other suggestions for things that you can do with these, what you would make with this, leave them in the comments down below. And then the last few things in the bottom of the box are some rub-ons. So I've got 3 packs here. I've got the Christmas pack, and then I've got 2 other packs. And then of course the Christmas pack, which I'm the most excited about because I'm already feeling really festive. So these are beautiful. And I love with rub-ons how they blend into a page. So you just take your little stick and you can rub the image onto paper. These ones from Tapeology, they can actually be rubbed onto fabric, which is really cool. And so they do send this fabric that you can use to rub the images onto. So I just want to give you a bit of an insight into what you get in these packs, because from my memory you get quite a lot of rub-ons, so you get quite a lot of sheets. So this is the first pack, which I thought was a sea creature pack, but it's actually a whole bunch of animals. So you get such a variety of animals and insects. So you've got frogs, snails, butterflies, birds, the sea creatures, and there's some more birds and some more insects on this page. Beautiful fox, gorgeous butterflies, cute little rabbits and deers and mushrooms. So lots of variety in different animals in this pack. You get so many images and you get 6 sheets of images. So that's the first pack. First 2 pages, lots of beautiful flowers and a couple of butterflies in there as well. This page has lots of blue images, lots of beautiful yellow flowers, and then lots of beautiful white flowers and a little butterfly. So that's the second pack. And then the last pack, which again, really excited to see, this is the Christmas pack. So the first page, we've got Santa, we've got some Christmas decorations, some little Christmas treats, Christmas tree, a nutcracker, some presents. And then again, lots of the same sort of stuff, lots of beautiful Christmas imagery in the form of rub-ons. Pretty little angel down the corner there. Some candles and decorations and presents. This page has some snowy animals, some snowy scenes. We've got Santa and the reindeers, and then we've got some snow animals, snow creatures. Cute little cats as well. And this one again is more blue themed, and we've got some more snow or like winter Christmas rub-ons, which again, really beautiful. Very, very cute. And then the last page has more traditional Christmas stuff. And this one has some smaller phrases, which is really nice for titles. And with rub-ons, you can even rub these onto a journal cover. So it's a really great way to add like an illustration to the cover without it looking cut and glued on. So that's all the treasures that I have received today in this beautiful box. Again, I am an affiliate with Tapeology, so you can get a discount of 15% off if you use my code johanna15. I'll have in the description box the links to all of the individual products. I'll also have a link to a collection page where you can just shop the whole collection of what you see here in my box. So just to make it really, really easy for you to find anything here that you might have liked. I want to say a huge thank you to Tapeology for working with me and for sending and sharing these beautiful products with me, which I can incorporate into my Christmas collections and my journaling. If you are interested in anything here, make sure you do check out the links down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back really soon with another one.